So bedtime. Oh, bedtime, right? How many of you have kids who scream when you hear it's time for bed or who run the other way down the hallway? Bedtime, is wanted by us, yet at the same time, we don't want to say the word bed because we don't want to deal with it, right? Well, there are some few things you can do to make bedtime so much easier. Number one, consistency, right? Be consistent with your bedtime routine. After dinner, what do? You take a bath, you brush your teeth, you put on your pajamas, you play for a half an hour, you read 2 books, then you go to sleep. That's just an example. I have some PDFs here, some handouts for you to print out for you to write down your own bedtime routine. Make sure it's the same bedtime routine every single night. Make it an easy one. Doesn't matter where you are in the world. If you're on vacation, if you're on a cruise ship, if you're at grandma's house, if you are at your house, if you're camping in a tent, whatever it is, make sure it's the same exact routine. We get up from dinner, then we go put our pajamas on, or we take a bath, or we brush our teeth, or whatever it is you do right after dinner. That's what you do wherever you are. Same routine. Kids thrive off routine and consistency. They know what to expect. That is a safety thing for them. So let's make their bedtime routine that exact way. If you want them to only read 2 books, then only let them read 2 books every single night. That is the key. It's not, it's harder than it sounds, right, in the beginning, because you are just right now starting to create a routine with your children, being consistent with it. Once it's in place, you're golden. So, print out the PDFs down below and create your routine, and I will be in the Parenting Tips group to help you if you have struggles. One thing I want to talk about is bath time. So some families have a hard time calming their kids down right after a bath, and that is because playing in the water is a sensory rich experience. So kids that are playing in water, I hear my dog barking in the background. So playing in water gets them excited because they're feeling all these things. They're playing, they're wide awake. It's hard to put your child to sleep right after they take a bath. So maybe bath time right before bed isn't the greatest idea. Maybe it's dinner, then bath, then pajamas, then brush your teeth, then quiet time, play for half an hour, then read 2 books, then sleep. If your kid gets really worked up and excited after baths, put that bath a little earlier and you'll see hopefully that change a little bit. So that's it for bedtime. I'm trying to make these 5 minutes or less so you can get in there. There is a PDF, like I said, down. Print it out. Write down your bedtime routine and what you want to do. Like the morning routine from the previous video, you can take pictures, put them on the poster board, and have them near your child for bedtime so you can, they can be reminded and just get right into that consistent routine. So, okay. Next, we are going to talk about sharing. That's a big one. If you have more than 1 kid, you're going to want to watch that one. See you soon.